You're welcome to grade 8 geography lesson. Water. Water is an essential nutrient and plays a key role in the human body. We can survive up to several weeks without food, but only few days we can stay without water. Every system in the body, from cells and tissues to vital organ, requires water to function. 71% of the total land area of the earth covered by water. This is an unique feature of the earth when we compare to other planets in the solar system. We can see this water in three forms: liquid, solid, and gas. Distribution of water on the earth. Oceans and seas 97.5. Ice caps and snow 1.97. Groundwater 0.5. Fresh water 0.003. That is the composition of water on the earth. This water interchanges cyclically between this land and atmosphere. This process is called water cycle or hydrological cycle or H2O cycle. We can get several benefits from water. Let's see the importance of water. Water is highly essential for existence of all living beings, small insect to human beings and all the animals. We can use water for domestic purposes, cleaning, washing and cooking purposes. We can use water for transportation, water transport. We can use water for recreational activities, swimming and other water sports. We can get water for agricultural purposes, cultivate lands. Without water, we can get wood harvest. We can use water for generation of hydropower. Hydropower to generate electricity, we can use water. But our people, they ignore the importance of water. They pollute water bodies. Water pollution takes place in different ways. Garbages to the waterways, adding chemicals to the water bodies, washing vehicles and animals from water bodies. As citizens, we have big responsibility because why? Water is a scarce resource. There is a scarcity of water, pure water. We should protect the water, save water without polluting water. This is the best example we can get through this lesson. I think you have gathered enough information, and I ask you to follow activity 2.4 in your textbooks and answer them and send me. Thank you.